Holy cow, who do we have here?
Lindsay.
Lindsay, what are you doing today?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers. You trust me to throw you out?
Absolutely.
You're crazy. Was this your idea?
Yes.
So it's your fault if this goes wrong and we don't make it to your next birthday. Any last words, final comments, and confessions?
I love you all.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go have some fun.
Woo.
Here we go. And here we go, guys. Crazy. Get in, let's get up, let's get out. Rock the skydive. We made it. What do you think?
That was good.
Round 2 better than round 1?
Absolutely.
You did great. Come back, see me again.
Thank you.
You can open the parachute next time. Skydive.